सब मिलेगा, एशियन स्टोर में सब मिलेगा, राजमा, लोबिया, तड़का, ब्लैक दाल, वाइट दाल, चना, सब मिलेगा. You just learn how to cook and you can come and buy here. I would initially be very worried about eating food outside because sometimes you don't know कि चिकन के साथ बेकन मिल गया या बेकन के साथ बीफ मिल गया and what if मेरा धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाएगा and all that. But it's completely on you. If you're going to a place outside, read the menu properly. Every dish has a description below. Read it properly just so that you don't make such mistakes. This is probably the last video that I'm shooting with this chair and this table because we're moving out. We are having to sell stuff that we bought with a lot of love. Hello people and welcome back to my channel Alive to Tell a Tale. My name is Sharmishta and today I am back with another video. आज का topic बहुत interesting है and today's topic is my favorite. We are going to talk about food. So I consider myself a big time foodie. When I was coming from India to Ireland, I wasn't really worried about क्या क्या मिलेगा खाने में वहाँ पे. Will I find the right ingredients? Will I find Indian ingredients? Will I starve to death? I wasn't worried because I learned how to cook from my mom at a very young age. So everybody who knows how to cook, you'll be fine. And everybody who doesn't, you might fall into a problem. So no worries, I got your back. I am going to give you all the resorts under one roof in this video today. Right from best places to go and eat food, like which are the best Indian restaurants here. Then if you feel like satisfying a certain craving, then where to go, where to get your Asian ingredients from. And there is another video coming up after this about what all I buy from the local grocery stores, just so that you know कि local stores में क्या मिलता है and क्या नहीं. So let's get into it. So first I am going to list out all the food delivery apps for you and how can you take advantage of it by being a student. So the apps are Deliveroo, you have your Just Eat, you have your Zomato. Zomato doesn't deliver but you can surf on it, and you have your Uber Eats. So since you're a student and you have your student visa valid for a year, I talked about an app called Unidays before. I talked about it in a video where I'm talking about where to order personal care from. So if you haven't watched it, go and watch it now. So Unidays will allow you to sign up to all these apps as a student. That will help you get rid of delivery charges sometimes, or will help you avail offers. It might not make a huge difference, but little difference is also a lot. There are certain restaurants who have their own apps, like it happens in India, like Domino's and Pizza Hut have their own apps. Similarly, every local brand or any European branded food place also have their own apps. So always check for it. If you have that app available, then why not go and order from it straight away. So ये हो गए apps. Now we talk about all the good food serving restaurants in Ireland. Though because of COVID now nobody is allowing you to go and dine with them, but you can always order, you can always give them a call and they'll deliver food home. The two most famous Indian restaurants in Ireland, which also happen to be a Michelin star restaurant, are Pickle and Ananda. Both are Indian restaurants and both are Michelin stars. So if you are looking for a fine dining experience, कभी birthday हो गया, किसी को surprise देना है, special one को surprise देना है, then you can go ahead and book tables here and go and have a blast. Other Indian restaurants are, you have your Dera in city center, then you have your Konkan, Monsoon, Malabar Tadka, all in and around Dublin 18 area. All these restaurants, you are bound to find them on these applications that I listed out to you before, but I'm just mentioning them because I've tried food from there and I really love them. So I'm going to tell you one or two dishes that I really love from each restaurant also. I made a list, so I'm just going to read it out. So Dera is in city center, and order anything from there, they are the best. But I really like the kadhai paneer there. I'm not a vegetarian, I am a non-vegetarian, and I still love paneer over chicken, and I really like kadhai paneer from Dera. So another place, two places run by one person, each place called Burger Bay and Malabar Tadka. These are right close to my place. I live in Dublin 18 and it's walkable distance from here. If you crave for a burger that you feel like is made at home, like a homemade burger, then I order from Burger Bay. The burger that I personally love is your Southern Fried Chicken burger. Anywhere I go, and if I'm having a burger, my go-to would be Southern Fried Chicken burger over a grilled chicken burger. Grill में क्या है, grill में कुछ अच्छा नहीं है, लेकिन Southern Fried Chicken burger is your nice fried wing that they put in between two buns and then they garnish it properly and give it to you. So that's that. And from Malabar Tadka, I really like kadhai chicken. I must say that so far in Ireland in the past 2 years, if I've had kadhai chicken that's amazing, then that's from Malabar Tadka. I have another favorite burger place. I would initially be very worried about eating food outside because sometimes you don't know कि chicken के साथ bacon मिल गया या bacon के साथ beef मिल गया and what if मेरा धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाएगा and all that. But it's completely on you. If you're going to a place outside, read the menu properly. Every dish has a description below. Read it properly just so that you don't make such mistakes. Another favorite burger place of mine is Eddie Rockets. Eddie Rockets make the best Southern Fried Chicken fillet burgers. They have multiple branches all around Ireland, but my personal favorite is the one at Blackrock. I somehow feel that there is something special about the Southern Fried Chicken fillet burger at Eddie Rockets in Blackrock. It might be the same in other places also, but I'm just letting you know. If you guys are craving for a pizza, Domino's and Pizza Hut for some reason are way too expensive here, and comparatively the local guys make better pizzas than these branded ones. Two of them that me and my friends order pizzas from, one is Apache Pizza and the second one is Firewood Pizzas. All these regular local pizza places will give you cheaper and more tastier and more in quantity pizzas than compared to the big guys in the market. If you're feeling like having chaats and pani puris and all this stuff, then you have two options. You get these stuff at restaurants. There is a place called Madina in city center which gives you like that has like a live chaat counter. I've had pani puri there once and I really liked it. But otherwise, your other option is you can walk into an Asian store and they have these ready-made stuff too. Like if you want to have pani puri or bhel or anything, they have this pre-made pack that you can buy, and ghar aake you mix and match and make your dish and eat it. So you have these options too. So there is nothing like you're going to crave for it and not find it. You know, you have to just look for the right places. The two most famous stores in Dublin, or I must say that places that we get our Asian groceries from, is Blackrock Market mein there is a Asian store, and there's another one called Ingredients. They have two branches, one is in Bray and the other one is in Stillorgan. So these three stores are the places that me and people I know order from. So you can call them and give them an order, or you can just walk into the store, pick the stuff up and come back. These monthly groceries is what we get from Asian stores. Like instead of getting small rice packets from local grocery stores here, we managed to order 10 kg rice bags from Asian stores and they deliver it home, and that lasts us for quite some time. So all the students and their parents who are worried कि मेरा बच्चा क्या खाएगा, everybody be assured that you get everything here. Like if you know survival cooking skills, then you are sorted. You don't have to worry about anything. Eventually when you guys start finding part-times, then you'll be ready to invest in going out and eating also. You all will get used to the currency. You'll not feel like you're blowing money. So be assured, learn basic dal, chawal and sabji, and I think you're sorted. You are always going to find some or the other Indian restaurant right beside your college or where you're living, or Asian stores are also multiple in numbers. Like you'll have lots of Asian stores all around Dublin, or even for that fact in Galway or Cork also, and in Limerick also. So it's not going to be like there's, because Dublin is big it'll have, and what about the other places? No, every place has their own Asian stores and your delivery apps and Indian restaurants and everything. So don't be worried, सब मिलेगा Asian store में, सब मिलेगा. राजमा, लोबिया, तड़का, black dal, white dal, chana, सब मिलेगा. You just learn how to cook and you can come and buy here. That is all for today guys. I think I have stuffed you with decent amount of information regarding food. If you have any more questions, then please drop your comments in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get a notification every time I post a new video. Until next time, bye. This is probably the last video that I'm shooting with this chair and this table, because we're moving out. We are having to sell stuff that we bought with a lot of love, but कुछ पुराना जाएगा नहीं तो नया कैसे आएगा? So wish me luck. I hope I will get more new opportunities and live a better life in India. So yeah.